Hey guys, Matt Bogosian here with Kerr & Company Realty. My wife and I recently bought some property and we're building a home on it. And because of that, I thought it would be a great idea to make a series of videos where I explain the construction process and what's happening and hopefully educate you guys so when you decide to build your next home, you've got a better understanding of what's going on and what the steps are and how long things are gonna take. All right guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna explain exactly what a footer is. I'm gonna show you a little bit what they look like, and then I'm gonna explain why they're very important to your home's foundation. Okay, so the footer is the very base of your house. It goes below the foundation walls. It's an extremely important part, and here's why. It helps distribute the weight of the house so it prevents settling, which ultimately could damage the foundation or your home. It's really important. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so what we're looking at right here is called the footers. And what they do is they basically dig trenches around the entire perimeter of the home and at any other load-bearing walls or places where they need foundation walls. And the trenches have to be about 12 inches below the frost line. And they're normally, it looks like about 30 inches wide. I think that can vary depending on the size of the home. Then they add a steel reinforcement and they pour concrete into the trenches, like you see here. So you'll notice along any of the side walls on my house, the footers basically step down like that. And the reason for that is my house actually slopes from front to back. So to keep things level, they need to step it down like this. And what they'll do is to compensate for that difference, they will build that back up with the concrete blocks of the foundation wall. All right guys, so the next step in the process of this home is going to be to build up the foundation walls using these concrete blocks. This particular home is going to be built on a crawl space, so the front of the home will probably have about 24 to 36 inches of space, and then as you get to the very back of the home, it'll probably have 4 or 5 feet of space. All right guys, so that concludes video 1 of my series where I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of building a home. I hope you found it useful. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you see my future updates. Give this video a like, and of course, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the Williamson County, Tennessee area, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd love to discuss your options and help you with that. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.